1, 2, 3.
Right? Mistakes made. Next time.
Okay. Go. All right.
You can be both sisters. Look at George Washington.
That's why I need to get a side profile.
George Washington.
So it's really hard to come up with anything nice to say about Mandy that Nat hasn't already said.
I taught Harry's dance appreciation course. I was like, oh my god, who is that guy? He is so cute.
I met Mandy on a first date with a different girl.
And Reed said, don't worry about he's an asshole.
Her friends were like, no, bad news, do not talk to that guy.
Harry went on a date with her and he was dropping her back off in the dorms and she stopped to say hi to me at the front desk where he thought I was really cute. Not thanks to Reed, who was wrong, he's not an asshole. They've grown on me. They're setting up my wedding. Finally I turned to him and I said, elephant in the room. He goes, well yes. I just want to take it slow. And I said, there's slow, and then there's this. And then he immediately kissed me. Now, his version of the story is slightly different than mine, but he will still admit it to 3 dates.
Mandy, I appreciate you. I might not always say it, might not always show it, but I definitely appreciate you. You make me a better person, a better man. I love you so much. Glad we're doing this. That's all I gotta say.
Stop that.
Stop what?
Stop that.
What?
Stop that.
Come
You're
here.
not serious.
Come here.
Can we do one more?
You're my new emotion, cut my heart wide open, filled it with
When are you married? I've been lying about like a
you had me swept away, caught in the current of a tidal wave, blue skies made baby.
Oh, thank God, Mandy's voice. God. Oh! Hi! So I didn't realize you had a sense of humor. I don't know, is that a yes?
For all of those who don't know who I am, my name is Brad Pitt.
Ever since I was little, I always saw Mandy as a role model. In school, when I would be asked to talk about my role models, Mandy would always be my first answer. You and Harry are so perfect for each other, and to me, it's a role model love story.
Harry's always been the person that made me laugh the hardest. I'm more laughing at Harry because his laugh is hysterical when it comes to something that's really not that. He laughs so hard, but it makes you feel so good. Harry, thank you for everything that you have done to make me smile, to make everyone smile, and please don't ever change. I have never seen this man so happy. I asked him if he was nervous, and he said no, he's not nervous. And as everyone thinks for a cold pizza thing, I can safely say Harry never once had a doubt. And I don't think I've ever heard Harry say it so confidently. So, you were truly someone special. I have no doubts you guys will change the world. And this is my official congratulations to both of you.